Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. Before we start, if you want to take a screenshot on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now let's open the Wear OS application on our phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the device page for your Vapor 2. Now, go to your watch and go to the screen you want to capture. For example, let's open, I don't know, maybe settings. Let's open the settings. Now, let's say I want to take a screenshot of settings. To do it, go to app. Tap on the more options icon in the top right corner, tap on take screenshot of watch. You'll receive the notification on your phone that the screenshot was taken. You can open the notification. As you can see here, we have it ready to send the watch screenshot, and basically we can tap on this notification and here we can send our screenshot through different apps, and we have nearby share, X share, Discord, Gmail, messages, maps, AI live and stuff like that. If you have some kind of a file manager on your phone, you can also save the picture on a phone directly. So for example, I have Total Commander. I can select Total Commander, open it, and here I can name the screenshot. Come on. And once I name it, I can tap on OK to confirm and save it. Though maybe we need to select the folder first, so let's select downloaded files, for example. Oh, we need to allow the permission first. Okay, so internal storage. I'm gonna go to pictures and screenshots, and I'm gonna save this screenshot here. Gonna tap OK. As you can see, it's saved. Now I can open the files app or photos, and it should be there. So for example, if I open photos, close this, go to library, and here we have it. Here we have a screenshot of our watch, as you can see. And like I said before, you can also send it through different apps. So if, for example, if we take a screenshot, let's say open the app, take a screenshot. Come on. Okay, we got the notification. Let's open the notification, tap on it, and for example, let's select Discord. Oh, I closed it by mistake. Let's reopen it. Like this. Select Discord, for example, and it will basically allow you to send the photo through Discord to some people if you want to. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.